Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the type of currency in the EcoCat application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the top of your left corner and there you will find three lines. Press on it and here you can just press on the settings. And now you can see the currency here, and you can either have the Romanian leu or the euro in this case. That's because the application that I have downloaded, the version of the application was downloaded in Romanian version. That's why I have the Romanian leu option or the euro. And you can just set one here, and after that you can just leave and the change that you have made there will be saved. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.